Welcome to the future of transportation. From flying cars to electric buses, discover the groundbreaking innovations shaping how we move. Join us as we explore eco-friendly solutions and high-tech designs that are revolutionizing mobility and sustainability. Nokia Technology Vision 2030. The Nokia Technology Vision 2030 focuses on the rise of 6G networks, which will transform industries by offering unmatched connectivity, speed, and data processing. A key part of this vision is enhancing human-machine collaboration with AI, enabling smarter, more efficient interactions. Nokia also envisions a future where virtual and augmented reality become everyday experiences, and smart cities are powered by sustainable infrastructure. Sustainability is a major priority, with efforts aimed at eco-friendly technologies that reduce carbon emissions. With a focus on digital health, intelligent automation, and limitless connectivity, Nokia's 2030 vision seeks to create a hyper-connected world. This vision aims to improve human capabilities and drive innovation across all sectors of society. Fixar 025. The Fixar 025 is a fully electric aircraft designed for extensive commercial and industrial applications. This drone stands out for its ability to handle longer-range missions, making it perfect for tasks like mapping, aerial imaging, remote sensing, surveillance, and inspections. It can carry a payload of up to 22 pounds, which means it can transport various sophisticated sensors. These include RGB and hyperspectral cameras, lidar scanners, and night vision equipment. This versatility enables the Fixar 025 to perform a wide range of operations. Its advanced payload safety system ensures that delicate equipment remains protected throughout the entire flight process, from takeoff to landing. Additionally, the Fixar 025 eliminates the need for extra launch or landing gear, making it safer and easier to operate. Its design supports stress-free flights, even in beyond visual line of sight (BVLOS) operations. This aircraft is a game-changer for industries needing efficient and reliable aerial solutions. Pebble Flow. The Pebble Flow travel trailer is revolutionizing the camping experience. With its sleek design and thoughtfully arranged living space, it combines style and functionality for modern adventurers. At its core is an innovative all-electric drive system. This dual-motor setup is powered by a 45 kilowatts LFP battery, which assists your tow vehicle and reduces fuel consumption. It's a game-changer for EV owners who face range reductions while towing. Automation is one of the Pebble Flow's standout features. It can autonomously hitch up to your tow vehicle, making the setup process effortless. A remote control feature further simplifies parking, even in tight spots. Once you're at the campsite, setup becomes a breeze. With the press of a button, stabilizers deploy, the awning opens, and parking brakes engage. It's camping made easy, efficient, and enjoyable for everyone. The Pebble Flow redefines what a travel trailer can be, offering convenience, innovation, and sustainability for your outdoor adventures. Hiriko CityCar. The Hiriko CityCar is a revolutionary urban electric vehicle designed for short-distance travel and car sharing. Developed by the Hiriko Driving Mobility Consortium in collaboration with MIT's Media Lab, it offers a unique folding design to maximize parking space in crowded cities. The Hiriko CityCar comes in 3 variations: the Fold Microcar, the Ally Convertible, and the Laga Small Truck, catering to different mobility needs. It's designed to be part of municipal fleets, improving last-mile connectivity, particularly with Deutsche Bahn's railway services in Germany. Although the project faced challenges during its manufacturing trial in Spain, the Hiriko CityCar remains a visionary step toward sustainable urban transportation. It promotes smart, compact mobility solutions for the future. ASKA Fly eVTOL. The ASKA Fly eVTOL is a groundbreaking personal aircraft designed to redefine urban and regional transportation. This innovative vehicle combines the features of an electric car with the capabilities of a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. It offers a seamless travel experience by allowing you to drive on roads and highways and then take to the skies. Ideal for bypassing traffic and covering longer distances, the ASKA Fly eVTOL has a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge. It's powered by advanced electric motors and features state-of-the-art aerodynamics for exceptional performance. The compact design makes it suitable for urban environments, while enhanced safety features ensure a secure journey. With its futuristic technology, the ASKA Fly eVTOL is a promising solution for sustainable and flexible transportation. Stbon Funicular Railway, the steepest in the world. Located in Switzerland, the Stbon Funicular Railway holds the title of the steepest railway in the world. Officially opened in December 2017, it connects the valley station in Schwyz to the picturesque mountain village of Stbs. What makes this railway stand out is its astonishing incline of up to 110%. The track spans 1.74 kilometers, making the journey both efficient and thrilling. The railway features two modern, cylindrical cabins that can each carry up to 136 passengers. This system can transport around 1,500 people every day. The project had a total cost of about 52 million Swiss francs, which is roughly 56 million US dollars. The Stbon offers a quick and scenic 4-minute journey, allowing passengers to enjoy stunning views of the alpine landscape. This engineering masterpiece not only provides easier access to the mountain village but has also significantly boosted tourism in the area. The Stbon Funicular Railway is a true testament to Swiss innovation and the beauty of their advanced transportation systems. Ride1Up Portola. The Ride1Up Portola is an impressive folding electric bike that delivers outstanding value for its price. Its standout feature is the folding design. With just a few quick steps, you can fold the bike into a compact size, making it easy to transport and store. It's perfect for small spaces like apartments, RVs, or car trunks. Under the hood, the Portola is powered by a robust 48-volt 750W hub motor, offering excellent performance for its price. The bike also features adjustable pedal assist levels, so riders can customize their experience to suit their needs. When it comes to range, the Portola offers 30 to 50 miles, depending on your choice of battery. Comfort is a priority too. It comes with a well-padded seat and an upright riding position, ensuring a relaxed and enjoyable ride. With a starting price of just $995, the Ride1Up Portola is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality folding electric bike without spending a fortune. EVOTRAIL. The EVOTRAIL Smart E-Wagon is a revolutionary self-following electric wagon designed to make transporting heavy loads effortless. Using advanced ultra-wideband (UWB) technology, this wagon autonomously follows the user, matching their pace. No more manual hauling. Just let the EVOTRAIL do the work. Powered by an 800W brushless motor, it can carry up to 200 pounds and handle various terrains with ease. Its detachable battery provides an impressive range of up to 15 miles on a single charge, ensuring reliable performance for extended use. The EVOTRAIL features a foldable design, allowing for quick setup and convenient storage. It fits seamlessly into a car trunk, making it perfect for travel or everyday use. During its Kickstarter campaign, the EVOTRAIL was available at a special discounted price, showcasing its value as an innovative and practical solution for heavy load transportation. SGN Zip Charge Go. The SGN Zip Charge Go is a revolutionary portable charger designed to transform how we power electric vehicles. This compact device makes charging your EV more convenient than ever. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the move, the Zip Charge Go provides a simple and efficient way to keep your vehicle ready to go. Its lightweight design means you can easily carry it wherever you need. Plus, it offers the flexibility to charge your vehicle without relying on traditional charging stations. The Zip Charge Go is perfect for those moments when access to a charging point isn't an option. It empowers EV owners with a reliable solution for staying charged no matter where they are. This portable charger isn't just practical, it's a glimpse into the future of EV charging. Xbus. The Xbus is more than just a vehicle. It's a highly personalized and sustainable driving experience. Unlike traditional cars with static designs, the Xbus offers unlimited modularity. This innovative electric van, launched in 2023, adapts to fit your lifestyle. Whether you're heading out for a camping trip or need a utility vehicle for work, the Xbus has you covered. With 9 different body styles and 2 chassis options, it transforms effortlessly. It can be a camper van, a pickup, or even a small bus, depending on your needs. The Xbus is powered by a battery pack ranging from 10 to 30 kilowatt hours. Charging is flexible. You can charge it at home in 3 to 6 hours or speed things up using a wallbox or public charging station. Its advanced electronic control system delivers all-wheel drive with an impressive torque of over 1,000 Nm. Plus, the addition of solar panels and regenerative braking extends its range up to 370 miles, making it ideal for road trips. The Xbus isn't just a vehicle, it's a versatile and eco-friendly solution for modern mobility. The Lockheed Ring Wing Plane, a game-changer in aviation. The Lockheed Ring Wing Plane is truly one of a kind. Instead of the usual flat wings, it sports a unique ring-shaped wing that wraps 7.4 meters around and curves back to connect to the tail. This eye-catching design doesn't just look cool, it has real benefits. The ring wing helps the plane lift off more easily and makes it less sensitive to strong crosswinds. As a result, the plane uses less fuel and can land on shorter runways. Standing 23 meters tall, it's a striking example of how innovative design can lead to more efficient and versatile aircraft. This new design could change the way we think about flying and make air travel smarter and more efficient. Renault Clair Garbage Truck, a futuristic waste solution. The Renault Clair Garbage Truck, designed by the Renault Design Academy in Russia, is a futuristic self-driving vehicle aimed at revolutionizing waste management in suburban and rural areas. Inspired by Renault's classic trucks, it combines modern technology and eco-conscious features. The Clair truck carries 40 robotic garbage bins in a modular container system. These bins are equipped with germ-killing lights to ensure cleanliness. Its innovative design includes 2 connected driving modules that allow the truck to lift and transport waste all by itself. One of its standout features is the transparent OLED roof, which not only looks sleek but also includes light bars and a solar panel for energy efficiency. The Clair showcases cutting-edge design while addressing important environmental concerns, making waste collection smarter, cleaner, and more efficient. Concept 1865. Step into the past, ride into the future. Let's take a step back in time and revisit a symbol of innovation, the iconic penny farthing bicycle. Imagine a giant front wheel leading the way. This was cycling in the 1870s, marking the start of a new era in transportation. Fast forward to today, and the concept 1865 breathes new life into this timeless design. It still captures the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. But now, it's not just a relic of history. It's a bridge between past and future. Crafted by skilled artisans, this modern version blends tradition with cutting-edge materials. Think carbon fiber, lightweight foam, and durable plastics. All these come together seamlessly to create a bike that's both sleek and sturdy. But here's where it gets exciting. This isn't just for show. The concept 1865 is powered by electricity. A battery is cleverly hidden in the seat for easy access, adding a layer of modern convenience to this classic design. And there's more. LED lights add a stylish touch, giving this nostalgic bike a modern flair. These finishing details make it stand out even more. The prototype is ready, standing as a true testament to an era of creativity and passion. It's not just a bicycle, it's a ride through time, blending the best of both worlds, history and innovation. SkiCab, your premium airport transfer service to the Alps. SkiCab offers a premium transfer service from Geneva Airport to the famous ski resorts in the Alps. It's designed for ski enthusiasts, ensuring a smooth and stress-free journey from the moment you land. Whether you're traveling solo or with a group, SkiCab provides a variety of vehicles to suit your needs. From private cars to spacious minibuses, there's an option for everyone. All vehicles are equipped to handle winter conditions, making sure your ride is both safe and comfortable, even on icy mountain roads. SkiCab is perfect for those carrying ski equipment. Your luggage, including skis and snowboards, will be easily accommodated. The service is not only reliable but also competitively priced, offering great value for your money. The convenience of personalized service means you don't have to worry about a thing. With SkiCab, your ski vacation starts as soon as you land. Enjoy a stylish, comfortable ride to your destination, leaving the stress behind. Skip the hassle of public transport or crowded shuttles. With SkiCab, your adventure in the Alps begins in comfort and style. It's the perfect way to kick off your vacation, ensuring a seamless transition to the slopes. Bionic Boot. The Bionic Boot is a groundbreaking wearable technology designed to boost human speed and agility. Inspired by the natural movement of a cheetah, it was developed by Keith Seymour to revolutionize the way we run. Using powerful mechanical springs, these boots propel the wearer forward, enabling speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. They are perfect for athletes and fitness enthusiasts looking for a thrilling and efficient way to enhance their running performance. With a lightweight and ergonomic design, the Bionic Boot ensures comfort and ease of use. Priced at around $2,500, this advanced footwear isn't just about faster movement. It's a leap forward in personal transportation, offering an exhilarating and futuristic running experience.